You'll see the different areas that we have that capacity to be able to send out documentation. So that includes things like purchase order returns, sales quote, pro formas orders, order acknowledgements, good dispatch, custom status, and remittance. And if you already have our Sicon contracts or construction retentions, it can integrate with that as well. What I've basically done is then link that to the roles that you already have set up against the accounts back in Sage, so we can decide who we want those documentation going through to. And then this simply gives you the option of deciding how you want it sent. Do you want it just going straight to your drafts or sending immediately? Now, this is a typical example of what I'm going to be sending out when I send the purchase order. So in this instance, it includes a header page, background page, terms and conditions, and obviously you can design the specific document itself. Additionally to that, we've also got the capacity to be able to add images, whatever images or documentation. So this could be specifications, instructions. So if you're using standard Sage stock items, you'll see against the stock item, we've got this extra little Sicon tab. And against that, all we basically do is we load up all of the documentation and images, etc., that we want to send. And in the case of here, I've basically said I want to send an image of a coffee machine.